white stork, or white hare, not a stork. And I'm just running through these fields where they're hay fields. And I earlier ran through the gun field, around the gun field, not realizing that it's active. So here I am running through here instead and trying to get some exercise in while my husband is working on site doing his engineer magic. Ooh, let's see if I could chase after the stork. Come on, storky. Here we go. Getting closer, getting closer. And it flies off to its partner. All right, back to running. Yay. Even several trip hazards, especially when your legs are really tired and you're just fumbling now. Plus it's hot. Again, the hottest part of the day I'm running. Why do I do this to myself? So I had to get at least 5 miles in, and I think it's likely 6 1/4. So, okay. Oh, look at my hair. This is my 5th time around this field. I'm going on my last and final one, my 5th time. And I don't know what inspired me to do this. I was just gonna do 4, but since I'm still waiting for my hubby to get off his job site here, I figured what else am I gonna do? So I'm running my last one. I think so, because my hips feel like they're gonna give out. And running in this field. All right, so I finished my 10K run, 6.40, that's what I did. Total, surprisingly done. And you can see I'm at the hunting fields and I didn't realize they were open. So I was running in the outskirts of the hunting range and heard a couple of gunshots. I'm like, okay, it's nothing new to me. I heard gunshots before. I used to be a firearms instructor at one point, but I figured it's best for me to stay out of the way just in case a stray bullet comes around, right? Okay, so happy running and happy Thursday, y'all. Aloha!